Hello, friends. Welcome to another exciting tale of a true struggle in life. What would you do if your life's work was met with rejection after rejection? Would you give up or push forward? Today, we'll dive into the story of Colonel Harland Sanders, a man who didn't find success until his 60s, yet created one of the most iconic brands in the world, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Born in 1890 in Indiana, Harland Sanders faced hardship from an early age. When he was just 6 years old, his father passed away, leaving young Harland to help his mother support the family. He learned to cook and care for his siblings, a skill that unknowingly planted the seeds of his future success. But life wasn't easy. By the time he was a teenager, Sanders had already worked a series of odd jobs: farmhand, streetcar conductor, and even a soldier in the U.S. Army. Yet, nothing seemed to stick. It wasn't until his 40s, after years of struggle, that Harland Sanders found his true calling. In the 1930s, he started cooking fried chicken at a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, using a pressure cooker and a blend of 11 secret herbs and spices. Sanders perfected a recipe that would soon captivate taste buds far and wide.
I didn't have much, but I knew how to cook a darn good piece of chicken. I thought, if I love it, maybe others will too.
But the road to success wasn't smooth. Sanders pitched his recipe to hundreds of restaurants. Most said no. Some even laughed him out the door. At one point, he lived out of his car, determined to sell his idea.
I could have quit after the first 10 rejections, or the first 100, but I believed in my chicken. And more importantly, I believed in myself.
Finally, in his 60s, Sanders found a breakthrough. His recipe was licensed to a restaurant, and the success snowballed. In 1952, the first KFC franchise was born. What started in a small Kentucky town grew into a global phenomenon.
People say I was an overnight success, but it took me over 60 years to get there. Persistence, my friends. That's the real secret recipe.
Harland Sanders' journey teaches us that success has no expiration date. He turned every failure into a stepping stone, proving that perseverance and adaptability are key.
It's not the number of times you fall, it's how many times you get up. Life's too short to give up on your dreams, no matter your age.
So, what's stopping you from chasing your dreams? If Harland Sanders can build an empire at 65, imagine what you can do starting today. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, subscribe to Seasoned Chats for more inspiring tales, and remember to share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the Colonel's spirit alive, one dream at a time.